Do you love wearing unique mouse ear accessories? Can you use a sewing machine? Can you use a hot glue gun? What about scissors? My name is Emily, and I'm the face behind WeveGotEars. I make some of the best loved mouse ears out there, and now you can too! That's right, I'm opening the vault to all my mouse ear designs. I'm sharing my patterns. I'm sharing my instructions. I'm sharing the supplies I use. I'm sharing my whole range of products that it took me nearly 10 years to develop. That includes full-size ears, mini ears, scrunch ears, knot ears, clip ears, bow bands, and probably more stuff that I forgot that I make. I'm also sharing my tips and tricks to getting that perfect pair of ears, including how to make the most comfortable headband that you can wear all day, how to get sturdy yet squishy ears, what in the world I do with these twist ties, and probably the most popular tip, how I get the ears to attach to the headband and never come off, even when you try. I'll even have some supplies available, and eventually, I may even be able to share some of my more advanced designs with you. WeveGotEars DIY will start rolling out summer 2024, and I'll keep going until I've shared everything you're interested in. Patterns and instructions will be on my website, and I'll be uploading video tutorials here on YouTube so you can follow along while you're crafting. So go ahead and click subscribe and get ready to make your own magic. Now who's gonna clean all this up?